In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Cobbleverse for Minecraft 2026. Now, for doing this, I recommend that you use the application CurseForge, because with CurseForge, you really only need to press one button in order to install Cobbleverse. So open up any web browser. Then please look up CurseForge app download in your search bar and go to the official curseforge.com website over here. Then select on download standalone right over here, and then it is going to install the setup wizard, and then you need to open up the setup wizard. But if you haven't already, please install the CurseForge app. So I'm just going to go ahead and open it up over here, because I already do have it. So once you're here on CurseForge, you want to select on your game. So obviously select on Minecraft. Then you want to go to the top menu and select on Browse. Then go to the search bar and look up Cobbleverse just like so. Press on enter, and then you should be able to find it. So please go ahead and select on it. Then you want to press on the install button. Now it's going to take a little while, especially if it's your first time ever downloading a mod pack. So if it takes like 15, even like 20 or 25 minutes, that is 100% normal. Be patient, because this is a pretty big mod pack with a lot of different features. But anyways, afterwards, it is then going to say play, and you just want to press on play. Then it is going to open up Cobbleverse, and then you can begin having fun. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.